Yeah, this is not a tribalist thing here. This thing that is being led by the Zulu, it's not tribalist, it's for South Africans. Ninga, don't try to make it a Zulu thing. It's not. With your narrative. Nikuluma manga niti abo phakela umthakathi and abo Jucinta and abo Ngizwe, they are pushing a Zulu thing. No, they are not. Stop lying. Stop lying. It's not a Zulu thing, this thing. It's South Africans. Yes, the Zulus are leading this. But the first person to lead it was Umach. She's still in the forefront. Phakela umthakathi is supporting Ngizwe. Phakela umthakathi, he's bringing men together. Don't make it a Zulu thing. You are the ones who are trying to divide us. You can see that South Africa is becoming one. South Africans are coming together from different provinces to support this thing. This is not a Zulu thing. Senikhuluma manga manje, nina banye. And we will not be divided. Siyoba sigela. I'm from Gauteng. Kikoba sigela. Kikoba support. I'm supporting it. I've been supporting because their message speaks to my pain. And I'm also glad, Uguti, it is also being led by the middle class because Jucinta is a middle class woman. Phakela umthakathi is a middle class. Ngizwe is a middle class. Simply put, a middle class is someone who can afford to take his kids to school, who can afford to live in this economy as a South Africa. That's simply a middle class. Whether he's got a car or not, or a house, is neither here nor there. But can you afford the basic necessities of life? Then you've got upper middle class and what. Those here, but fundamentally middle class is that you are able to live in this economy and afford to live as comfortable as possible and to be able to do one or two things. You are also able to borrow or ugnigeza, you know, hey, 200 wafana mono, 100 uyafana lap. That's a middle class, simply. Well, that's my view. But if you don't have a car, you don't have a house, but you are able to live, you can afford grocery, take your kids to school. When winter comes, you can buy clothes for your kids, right? And every now and then you're able to take them to restaurants, spare, whatever. You're a middle class. Simple. So I'm glad that the middle class is leading this. But we need more hands on deck. And middle class is simply people that are working, that can be able to do that. I don't want to be economic about this. Kota, I guess we will go to this one. Ugoti. Ninga kulmia manga with this thing. It's tribalist. It's not. I know Malema wants to turn it to that. It suits his political narrative. Stop lying. Stop lying. Nina nikhala kuma high walls. In suburbs, Zagabuma Zoti, Abanyebe. What is it? Hyde Park. One of the most plush places in South Africa. You don't stay where we stay. You don't live where we live. So I'm glad that the middle class is entering into the fray of this whole thing. Because who will speak for the poor? Actually, who will speak for the rest of us? Because all politicians, Mabahamba, they are working with security. They are protected wherever they go. Private security, paid for by the state. Nangu Panyaza, he was telling us when they had issues with water, he open your heads. Wakuluma angas miselanga kuluma goti. No, yeah, now we are hotel. He showers in a hotel. Nya ikumbula magakuluma upanyaza when he was talking. Good, we are all affected. I mean, I have to even watch at the hotel. He didn't even think Lento about Kuluma at that time. These are the people that are in charge in positions of power, gaslighting us, lying to us. He was busy thanking the president for rubbish here. Hey, thank you, Mr. President, for sending soldiers. Go pay. Go pay. And thank you that now that water crisis, I don't know whatever water crisis. Yes, these people don't live where we live. They don't feel our pain as ordinary South Africans. This problem of illegal foreigners is big and it's profitable for them. Mabahambe la babantu bafwini. Mabahambe la babantu. Mabahambe la babantu. Let them go. And our message is very simple. Go home, fix your country. And if you wish to come back with proper documentation, blah, blah. That's it. Azondo muntu thina. Kodwa kuhamba, if ungafuna ukuhamba uzohamba. Aborama pause in security detail security. Apparently he's got a house there in Cape Town, billion. They found he even has a farm. How many South Africans, black South Africans, have farms? Bangazos trilaga bilab. ANC politicians have been the most privileged of black people in this country. The most. They're even living far better than your ordinary average white people. ANC politicians. Living far better than your ordinary average white person. Most of them. And then they come and tell us, hey, Abelungu, this, Abelungu, that. And yet they live amongst Abelungu. They spend most of their time amongst Abelungu. And they come and tell us while they are stealing, while bachoncha bona, while bachoncha. How many years have been stealing? 500 billion. I guess 500 billion as a COVID pay. The COVID pay 500 billion. What happened to it? Came here on a public platform, President Duguta, no one will steal the funds. One of his ministers sat and Luasislo she was in a ad hoc committee. Implicated in that scandal, say some PPP, whatever. ANC politicians have been the most privileged of the black people in this country. They're even living far better than your average white people. Far. So they must not come and lie here. They've been looting and stealing. That's what they are good for. That political party, ANC, it's mean. It's a criminal organization, that thing, allegedly. So lababan mabahamba, I guess Dylan ngabo
uJulius Malema mayekuphawula ngezinto zamadoda angazi-understandiyo. Ezindele zathetha ngazo zizinto zamadoda. Yena akayo ndoda ngomfana nje kagogo okhulile ngaphansi kwezigate zikagogo. Akho nto ayazi ngobudoda. So does understand intelezi because zisetyenziswa ngamadoda. And akazi nomsebenzi wazo. Andiyazi nendoda ezibiza ngomAfrika ehlezi ngxola ngobuAfrika engazaziyo izinto zobuAfrika. Criticize ama-African herbs. Indoda engazaziyo ukuthi yona kahle kahle ngibani. uJulius Malema yabona ukuthi nje kahle kahle uyi-West. Uphila a Western lifestyle. Kodwa sinqola ngobuAfrika. Akazi namayezi obuAfrika. Ukuthi xa indoda ema-Afrika kumele ube njani. uJulius Malema nje uyi-West umjongile nje wonke uJulius Malema. Akho nto ukuthi le indoda ema-Afrika le. Ayikho indoda efana noJulius Malema. uJulius Malema nditsho akanaso nesikhwama sobudoda sendoda. Apho umntwana xa bethwe inyoka eJardini uthatha isikhwama yamkhothisa umntwana isihlungu zehlele ngezansi uthi umsesibhedle umntwana uyodrona lapho izini ubuqondo ba umntwana usafe ngekafe noko isihlungu umkhothisile isihlungu so ubuhlungu benyoka buzophela pha ezansi abuzi phezulu. Akanazo lezo zinto. Ayikho indoda enjalo ke ungabiza ngendoda leyo nto le ku-anti lo yondoda le nto leyo. Indoda exa ukuduma izulu thatha izikhwama ijikisa izulu. Qonda bayi izulu niliqondile yabo ukhafula izulu lijika izulu lichange direction. Awunothi indoda uzazi ukuba ungakholwa ngoJulius Malema. Indoda engazazi ukuthi ngubani engazi noyise. Indoda ekhule ngaphansi kwezigate zikagogo. Engazifoko ngoba Africa ixele ngoba Africa. Uyazinikisa ngoba Africa. And abo reflect kwalapha kuyo ukuba ngumAfrika. Ayikho into le right bafile landela uJulius Malema. Ayikho. Izintwana landela uJulius Malema uyabona ukuthi zakhuluzwa ngama single parent bengekho tala bebalekile. Uyabona ukuthi onina bamitshwa ngamakwere ngamaZimbabwe amaNigeria zabamithi zababaleka baphinde eNigeria abanye baphinda koMozambique. Ibona izinto azilandela uJulius Malema ukuthi hayi man. Babaleka utata lapha. Ayikho inkwenkwe yakhuluzwa ngutata ebehave ngohlobo. Ayikho inkwenkwe yakhuluzwa ngutata ethela ngohlobo. Ibehave ngohlobo phakathi kwamadoda. Ethela ngohlobo nabantu abadala. Uyabona ukuthi akunani nix la. Yabo. So Julius Malema makaphume kwizinto zamadoda, makaphume kwizinto ezifana nentelezi. Akho yazi ngentelezi. Izinto zamadoda. Yena makaphawule ngento zomama, xethe ngento zisekitchen ke, yabazi into azaziyo ke lezo, into azifundisa ngogogo. Izezo nto lezo azaziyo. Into zamadoda nje mase ngasePlant, sithele into zamadoda, uyabona nje singena deep ebudodeni. Makahlale phansi Julius Malema. Intelezi into zamadoda lezo. Amadoda azazi ukuthi ngubani. Enxethe amadoda azazi ukuthi ngobani makathule bayena akazazi ukuthi ngubani. Ngamuzise ngokuthi ngubani wese. Uzazazi kanjani ukuthi ngubani ungazi noyihloko ukuthi ngubani uyihlo.